Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone covering the 2025 Realme 51. The script includes sections on features, design, performance, and a conclusion, written in an engaging tone and without headings or numbered sections. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into one of the freshest drops in the mid-range smartphone scene, the Realme 51. This 2025 release has stirred up some serious buzz, and we're here to break down whether it's really worth your money or just another hyped-up name in the crowd. Let's get straight into it. First off, the Realme 51 packs a punch when it comes to features. It runs on the new-gen MediaTek Dimensity chip, which means you're getting smooth multitasking, efficient gaming, and very solid thermal control. Whether you're scrolling through social media, streaming high-definition content, or flipping between a dozen apps, there's zero lag. Realme has clearly focused on delivering performance that competes with even higher-end models without jacking up the price. On the software side, it ships with Realme UI based on the latest Android version. The interface feels light, responsive, and pretty customizable. You get a lot of preloaded apps, but most of them can be removed, so no big deal there. And yes, it includes some cool AI tricks for camera processing and power optimization that genuinely help in daily use. Speaking of the camera, the Realme 51 features a triple lens setup at the rear. The main sensor is large, bright, and fast, with some serious improvements in low-light photography. Night mode actually does something this time. It sharpens the image, controls exposure well, and keeps noise levels low. The ultra-wide lens is decent though not mind-blowing, and the third sensor adds depth for portrait shots which come out clean with good edge detection. The front-facing camera is solid too, with enough detail and natural colors, perfect for video calls and casual selfies. Battery life is another area where Realme really stepped it up. You're getting a big battery here with support for fast charging. From 0 to over half in just under half an hour makes a huge difference in everyday life. It easily lasts a full day with heavy use and can stretch longer if you're just using it casually. And unlike some other brands, they've kept the charger in the box, so no extra spending there. Now let's talk about the exterior, because this phone is turning heads. Realme 51 comes in some bold color options with a matte glass back that's both stylish and resistant to fingerprints. The frame is slim with curved edges, and it sits comfortably in your hand. On the front, you're looking at a large AMOLED display with minimal bezels and a fast refresh rate that makes everything from scrolling to gaming feel smooth. The in-display fingerprint sensor is snappy and accurate, no complaints there. The build quality is surprisingly premium for a phone in this segment. It doesn't feel cheap or plasticky in any way, and the subtle design elements like the camera module placement and finish give it a flagship vibe. There's no official water resistance rating, but the phone does come with decent sealing around ports and buttons, which should offer some basic protection. Audio-wise, you get stereo speakers with support for high-res audio, and while it's not going to replace your Bluetooth speaker anytime soon, it holds up well for watching videos or casual music listening. Realme also included a headphone jack, which is a win for people still holding onto their wired headphones. Let's wrap this up. The Realme 51 is not trying to be a revolutionary device, but what it does aim for, it delivers well. It's reliable, fast, stylish, and loaded with features that actually improve your daily phone use. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or just want a smooth daily driver, this phone delivers in every key area. For its price, Realme has managed to hit that sweet spot between affordability and performance. It doesn't try too hard, it just gets things right. If you're tired of overpriced phones with features you don't use, or just want something fresh without breaking the bank, the Realme 51 should absolutely be on your radar. That's it for today. If you liked this breakdown, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more no-nonsense reviews. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a shorter version or one tailored more for a comparison video.